This video shares some quick and easy tips for choosing a safe and healthy carpet cleaning product. Welcome to Signature Carpet Cleaning's guide on what to look for when choosing carpet cleaning products to use in your home. Keeping your carpets clean is an essential part of a healthy living environment, so it's very important to use products that are safe for your family and your pets. Today, I'll walk you through some simple tips to help you choose safe and healthy carpet cleaning products. When selecting a carpet cleaning product, always check the ingredients list. Look for products made from natural, biodegradable ingredients. You really want to avoid harsh chemicals like bleach and ammonia, as they can be harmful to your family but especially harmful to your pets. When it comes to your carpet, always use a soap-free cleaner. Soap-based cleaners leave behind a sticky residue that attracts dirt, which quickly makes your carpets look dirty again. Opt for soap-free cleaning products so the spots you clean don't reappear. What often happens is you'll choose a soap-based spot remover, you'll clean something on your carpets, and notice this stain will come back a few days later. It's not the same stain. What it is the soap in that area attracting dirt and oil, which then looks like the same stain reappearing. What happens is people get stuck in this vicious cycle of trying to clean that. So they'll use the same product, add more soap, it looks great for a moment, and then a day or two later it comes back, and all they're doing is adding residue to the same spot. This is very, very common. One of the most common things I see as a cleaner. If allergies are a concern for your family, choose carpet cleaning products labeled hypoallergenic. These cleaners are gentle on sensitive skin and free from irritating smells, making them safer and healthier for those in your home with allergies. Choose carpet cleaners with a balanced pH to protect your fibers and maintain vibrant colors. A balanced pH cleaner is gentle yet effective, ensuring a thorough clean without causing damage to your carpet or being an irritant to skin. Choose carpet cleaning products that are biodegradable to minimize your environmental impact. These products break down naturally, reducing pollution and keeping your home eco-friendly. This is especially important if you're using a spot remover without flushing it. If you can't completely flush the product out of your carpet, you want to make sure that it breaks down into natural, healthy components and doesn't stay active in your carpet. Look for eco-friendly certifications on carpet cleaning products to ensure they meet high environmental standards. Certifications like the Eco logo and the Environmental Choice Program indicate that the product is both eco-friendly and safe for use in your home. Before making a purchase, take the time to read reviews from other users. Real-life experiences can provide valuable insights into how safe and effective a cleaning product really is. Always test a small amount of cleaner on a hidden spot, such as the inside corner of a closet, before using it on your entire carpet. This simple step ensures compatibility and avoids potential damage to your carpet. You can do this by putting a little bit of the cleaner on a clean white towel and rubbing that towel on a hidden spot. If you don't see any of the color from your carpet transfer to the towel, your product is safe for your carpet. Always take the time to research the company behind the carpet cleaning product to ensure reliability and trustworthiness. Reputable companies are more likely to produce a safe and effective cleaning product that will meet your needs. By following these simple tips, you can select carpet cleaning products that are safe, effective, and environmentally friendly. If you're interested in more expert advice on maintaining your carpets and upholstery, you can visit our website at signaturecarpetcleaning.ca or check out another one of our great videos.